back on my side. Always turn up together cause we vibe. Love the feeling when you look in my eyes. Got my hands gripping on all your thighs. Yeah, this is what it's supposed to be. Cause I just want you close to me. Watch you pour the rose, beat it up, let's make a move, love it how we killing. This is such a feeling.
What's going on, YouTubers? Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. And for those who don't know me, welcome. My name is Gina, and I am currently doing a series for the next 4 weeks of do-it-yourself hair masks, and I am going to determine whether they are holy grails or epic fails. And we are gonna find out if it's worth going to the grocery store and spending your money on certain hair remedies that you hear all around the internet. Oh, Benny, do you want to be a part of the video? Come. I'll just say hi to YouTubers, because in the future, you'll be in my videos, because I'm gonna do a pet series next. Follow him on Instagram at It's Benny Henny. Yes, Benny, say hello. Okay, buddy. Now that you've got your YouTube shine, I mean, you know, skedaddle, try not to make so much noise. Anywho, we're gonna do another hair mask. This one's actually going to have some banana, some yogurt, some lemon juice, and some honey. So, if you're interested, please keep watching. And at the end of the video, if you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. So let's not waste any more time. Let's head out to my kitchen and let's whip all these ingredients up and get started. The first item on our list is a half of a banana. Bananas are full of potassium and are meant to be beneficial for viewers with dandruff. The second item on our list is some honey. Honey helps regulate and retain moisture, and that's because it's full of antioxidants and nutrients that feed the hair follicles to encourage hair growth. The third item on our list is some lemon juice. Now, I have a little bit mixed feelings because I assume that lemon juice could potentially dry out my bleached hair. However, research indicates that lemon can help tighten the hair follicles, curbing hair fall. The last item on our list is yogurt. Yogurt is full of protein, B vitamins, lactic acid, and zinc, which all supply growth of strong and healthy hair. It's also great for cleansing the scalp of dead skin cells, which will support hair follicle growth. That we have everything that we need, we can throw everything into one bowl and mix it all up. So I just finished washing my hair, and as you can tell, there's still banana chunks in it. If brushing it doesn't get the banana out, I'm gonna have to wash it a third time. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Disgusting. Hey guys, so I'm back and I just wanted to show you the results so far. I'm not done styling, but I thought that it was really important to show you the difference, I guess, in styling and how to hide the issues with this hair mask. My hair is actually just so dry and it feels horrible. I just took the blower and I just sort of like ran it through. This, the feeling, it just looks horrible. I think even if like I will flat iron it, I think that it would just get very stiff and you would just feel the dryness. I don't like that. So what I did instead, I started actually curling it with my wand, and I noticed that it kind of like hides the dryness. I mean, in person, if you actually feel it, it still feels dry, but for camera purposes, you can't really tell as much. Versus like on this side, I'll just show you. It's not worth it to me. I would save your money and try a different hair mask. I definitely recommend the hair mayo mask that I did last week. That baby made my hair so silky and soft. I loved it. This one, epic fail. Next week, hopefully, we have a Holy Grail again, but this baby, don't spend your money on. It's not worth it.
See me moving out here, yeah, playing for keys. Ain't talking Cali when I got the keys. Moving pianos, I got the keys. All different.